So check out this cool Japanese coffee. Just open the top here, where it says open, of course. And look at this cool, very Japanese package. It's got the little handles on the side there. So you tear open the top. You open up the little pouch. You open up the little handles on the side. Open up the little handles on the side. And you put it on the cup like so. And boom, look at that. It stays in the cup. So then the directions say, pour a little water on the coffee to make it moist, let it sit for 20 seconds, and then do a slow pour. So we're gonna pour a little in here and get it moist and let it sit for 20 seconds or so, like the directions say. Let it sit. Let it steep and get all yummy, yummy, yummy. And then the directions say to do a slow pour, which I will do. I like my coffee strong, so I'm gonna do it real slow. Oh, there it goes, dripping as advertised. It's an instant drip coffee made by the Japanese in Kyoto. Gotta love them Japanese. I visited Japan once. I went to Kyoto and Tokyo for 3 weeks. Went all the way up and down in Japan on the Japan Rail with the Japan Rail Pass. It was awesome. Japan is such a great and beautiful country. Man, that looks good. And that's it, folks. And there it is, steeped. Look at that, isn't that cool? That looks nice and frothy and yummy. Little sausage and egg breakfast. Turkey sausage, of course. I'm trying to be healthy.